So, to understand the disease of the individual with its common symptom and characteristic symptom, a case taking is needed. Then, to attempt problem resolution and effective counseling if needed. Many times, with the counseling, with our conversation with the patient, when the patient express his all inner feelings, he feel very what we say, he feel better by sharing his feelings which he cannot share with anybody. It was it was limited for the patient only, and he was not shared those things with anybody. But when these things he shared with the physician while taking the case, then it many times it was effective. Then, to manage the case, auxiliary, general and specific. So for management of the case, in auxiliary way, for other than medicine, we can advise the patient to the present situation of the patient, what is the general, what should be the general management, and what should be the specific management in the patient. We can decide only after taking the proper history, proper case from the patient. Then case taking will help the patient realize his problem so that he would cooperate in programming the treatment. Many times, though the gravity of the disease is severe, but the patient, they don't have that much, they don't know that much gravity of the disease condition, and while taking or while giving his symptoms, while narrating his problem, he also realizes the depth of his disease condition, the seriousness of his disease condition, and so the patient to cooperate in the treatment afterwards. Then to help patient ventilate his problem so that he is relieved of carrying an emotional load. This has a great therapeutic value. So many times, as I told previously, that many times the patient keep all his emotions for himself only. He cannot express his emotions, he cannot express his feelings with anybody. And during case taking, when we ask in detail about his mentals, then at that time, patient ventilate his problem, and after expressing, after sharing his problem with anybody, he feel relieved, he feel relaxed of carrying an emotional load. There is some relaxation feeling after sharing his all inner suppressed emotions. So this has a great therapeutic value. Finally, to find the constitutional, intercurrent and acute totalities so that the respective remedies could be selected. So, to find out the constitutional medicine, to find out the intercurrent medicine as well as acute totalities. The collection of symptoms, the case taking in detail, it is necessary. The case taking for homeopathic management requires a background knowledge of various disciplines, the principles of homeopathy, basic medical sciences, clinical subjects, and the communication skills. So, with the help or during interaction, while case taking, we interact with the patient and the case taking, it is before taking the case for homeopathic management, we should know, or the physician should know, should have the knowledge of various things, various disciplines. The physician should have knowledge of principles of homeopathy, basic medical sciences, about clinical subjects, and the communication skill. So for a good physician, for taking the before taking the case, as the during case taking, the interaction between the patient and the physician, it should be very smoothly, and it should be very easily, the for expressing his inner emotions, for sharing his all expressions, inner emotions or feelings with the physician. His communication skill is also uh, good, so that the patient share his inner things with the physician. Case taking requires a great deal of experience and training. So for case taking, experience is very much important, because with experience we can able to take, we can know the small minute things, how to find out the symptoms, how to collect the symptoms from the patient. So case taking require a great deal of experience and training. The whole case taking has been detailed by Hahnemann in his Organon of Medicine, from aphorism number 72 to aphorism number 104, dividing it mainly into two divisions. So in our Organon of Medicine, our master Dr. Hahnemann, he gave, or he expressed in detail how we should proceed for case taking, and all the details about the case taking he has mentioned from aphorism number 72 up to aphorism number 104. And so there are two divisions of these aphorism. The first division is from aphorism number 72 up to aphorism number 82, and all